Hello, we're going to take a look at an Usborne flat book, See Inside Atoms and Molecules. I'm excited to be using this one soon for school. It's an Usborne STEM book. So it has lots of flaps, talks about what is an atom and what's inside an atom. How they join, states of matter. I love these flat books because look at the fun flaps. I got neat shapes. Sorry, the light's on that one. There we go. Alright, so we got that one. Melting. So lots of exciting things to read about, fun flaps to open. Kids learn more when they open the flaps to find out what's underneath them. I don't know why, but they tend to remember more when there's a physical component. So just opening the flaps helps them to remember more. Of course, the whole chemical chart, periodic table, and miraculous molecules. Yeah. So we'll be using this for homeschool soon. And this book is $14.99.